What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and in this video we're going to be installing the dynamic LED bulbs for the Nissan Gtr. Guys, I'm super excited to share this step-by-step video for you guys and share the process with you guys every step of the way. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely hit the like button, guys, and let's jump right into the video. Basically, kind of like the first mods we're going to be doing to the car is right here. This has a bunch of LEDs for upgrading the exterior and interior of the car. Every time I see a car, this should be already upgraded. LEDs inside the car, they're still putting halogen in bulb, and it looks terrible. Like the car is like some 1990 car or something like that. Let's go ahead and start knocking this stuff out, installing them on the car. I don't know which one I want to start from. And oh, I got another tool. I forgot all about it that I bought. I'm gonna post a link in the description. This dope tool right here, I'm gonna post a link for it. So hopefully this is like a pry tool for like lights, interior lights, pulling different stuff, interior panels, stuff like that. I'm gonna post a link in the description where you can get this. So yeah, hopefully this makes my job easier and runs through this thing like cake. All right, so we're gonna do the door. So easy, just put it underneath here, pull this out, and then pull the bulb out, covers out, and the bulb's out. All right, so if you guys are gonna get the same lights, these are the HP5 LED bulbs that you're gonna be using for the door. Stick it in. If it doesn't work one way, flip it the other side, but it's already lighting up. Oh, that's much better than that dull look. So much better. Wow, so much more cleaner, guys. Look at that. So much better. I'm gonna show you guys a nighttime video, but that's how it looked. Passenger side. Man, look how dull this thing is. This thing looks super dull compared to that LED. That's crazy. So you just stick this tool in here, pretty nice. It pops it out. And it also has Nissan logo on there. It's pretty nice. Yep, it's already lighting up. Nice. Clean look. Looks nice. Very clean. Bright. Here in the corner lighting up. That looks clean. Interior is gonna look crazy at nighttime. All right, guys, so still got this thing right here, the clip. Got the same HP5 LED bulbs from Dynamic. Same thing, we're gonna use this tool, stick it in here and pry it out. So there we go. So it's out, and then you're gonna pull the bulb out. Make sure it's not too hot. You might have to close the doors or something. Get a rag. There we go. The bulb is out. Pretty hot. Woo! She is hot. Gonna open up the new one. It goes in like this. Then it goes in. You push it all the way in, and that's how it looks. A lot brighter. Definitely gonna look good at night. Yep, looks nice. I'm gonna do the other side. Same method. We're gonna stick it in this crack right here. Just like stick your hand up here and then push down. Yep. It's hot. See if it comes on. Yep, it's lighting up. Yep. And then you put the cover on. And wow. What a difference. Yep. Yep. That's clean. Yep, that's how it's gonna look. That tool is clutch because you could get in that crevice right there in the corner and pry it out. That's pretty nice. All right, guys, so we're gonna do the vanity light. You just basically stick the tool in the corner and pull it out, and then you push the rest of it out. There we go. So the light's kind of in the way, so I just stuck my finger and pushed it from the side. Look around, open up these. There we go. There we go. Wow, that's bright, super bright. Ooh, that's in the seat. Dang, this thing is blinding. It looks good though. There we go. There we go. And then I'll just have to clean this off and do the same thing for the other side. Alright, same thing on this side. We're gonna bring it down. Boom. Go from the corner right here. Pull it up. And then everything pops out. Oh, something broke. Yep, so let you guys know, these little things at the end break easily. More money, more problems, right? Yeah, guys, it broke. Come on, man. I can't believe this thing broke. How much does the car cost again? Well, I guess I just go to Nissan and get another one. It should still work. I'm gonna put it on, so it's cool. There you go. You know. Yep. Make sure it's down where you want it to be. It's better to like have it tilted like that than line it up. Cool, so that's done. Alright guys, so the interior, the door, the vanity lights, the 2 dome lights in the front, the extra vanity over there. You can see that the door's lighting up, so everything's looking dope. I can't wait to see this at night. It's gonna look sick. All clean, white, looks good. Alright guys, so I have the key. You just hold down, pop the trunk. I usually pull it from right here, and the trunk lifts up like that. Got a little dampeners on the side, which is pretty nice. Damn, I gotta clean out back here. This is the trunk space in the GTR. As you guys can see, they got a first aid kit right here. I never even looked in this, so I don't even know what's in here. Oh, great. Okay, it's really a first aid kit. So, scissors, all that stuff, jazz. It's really a first aid kit. I'm like, I never looked in here. What is in here? So you stick your thumb here in the corner, and then it pulls out. So now I just got to cover this back up. Push it in. Yep, like that. What we're going to be doing is replacing the 2 reverse lights in the rear. So that's the reverse light right there, and to access the reverse light you have to take these clips out. You guys should be able to see them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. What you're gonna do is get a flathead and stick it in that corner and basically pry the clip out of all of these. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So that's one. This is how it looks. So you got the little edge, and then you go in the middle and pry it out and then pull the whole thing out. So not bad. It's pretty easy. I already took off 4 already. So I took this one, then I took this one, and then this one right here. Now we got this one. There you go. Cool. So now that we got these 5 clips up, just pull up underneath here, and then hopefully y'all can see this, but we're just gonna pull up underneath this thing, and then we're gonna pull up on this tab thing. Just gonna pull up on it. straight up. There we go. So this whole thing's gonna come up. There we go. And we should have exposed to the ball. Basically pull underneath it and pulled it from the side and pull it out until they came out of these little clips right here, guys. And there's 4 clips. So now we are exposed to this section over here in the corner where I'm showing you guys, and that is the reverse light with that black grommet. You can just pull this back a little bit, and this is basically the grommet right here that you're going to be pulling back, and it just pops out like that, seals it, and then you're just gonna go counterclockwise and pull the whole bulb out. Yep. So then the whole bulb should come out like this. And that's the reverse light. I picked up the LED bulbs XPR. I think this was the brightest ones that they have for the rears. I picked these up, the 912 XPR white. Take it out, put it there, plug the new one in. I'm gonna make sure they work. So all you gotta do is turn the car onto the on position and push the brake, your foot on the brake, and then put it in reverse. You don't have to turn the car on. Yep, and as you guys can see, it's working, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the bulb in. Now we're just gonna put it back in the spot. There we go. And then turn it. Yep, there we go. So I got it in. That is the difference. That's stock right here, and then this is the new bright difference. Man, this thing is super bright, guys. Definitely should light up the rear for sure. Pulling this grommet out, it's pretty easy as well. So for the passenger side, you do turn it this way, and then it comes out. Same thing, we're gonna test this one, stick it out, put the new one in. You don't have to really turn it much. You kind of have to use like the middle of it. That's done. Don't forget your grommet, guys. All you gotta do is push the seal to the corner and push down, and then it's in place. With the other side, which I've already done, it's all sealed up. I'm gonna put all of this stuff back on, the 5 clips. So you just gotta line those tabs up and then push down on them. Yep. Now all you gotta do is yep. Then put all the clips back in. So this one right here in this corner. Push it in. And then of course you want to angle the clip so you can see the little groove you took out. So 2. Down here was the smaller one. Something like that. One's over here. Then you got this one up here. Yep. And we're done. Got halogen balls in here, so you can see how dull it looks, the reflection on the ground. So, and this is how the interior looks with the stock halogen bulbs. Not a lot of light in here, especially when you look in the back. You definitely can't see nothing. You can see the ground just barely a little bit, but we're gonna be replacing all of those lights. And then they got the first aid kit from Nissan in here, and then that's the stock bulb. That's freaking light. You can't even see the light. I don't see nothing in here. I see like a little faint shadow. and then you replace it up here. That is dull. How the dynamic lights for the door looks pretty bright, looks good. This is how it looks for the ceiling. The interior lights up the whole thing. This is how the trunk light is gonna look. Definitely a lot brighter and better for sure. Big difference. Bright. The interior looks good. Definitely looks good. Pretty bright. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoy this video, definitely hit the like button. If you guys can, share the video to a friend, and also guys, hit the notification button as well guys. If you guys are new to the channel, all of the support and likes and comments for the videos that I get is definitely going to help to get the GTR to full bolt-on E85, to be able to shoot some flames. I get to share this experience with you guys, and it would definitely be dope, and you guys get to see everything along the way guys. So if you guys can, definitely hit the like button, share the video if you guys can. But guys, thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. But that's it guys. If there's anything that you want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.